Hello everyone! So, ang gagawin natin for today's unboxing ng mga parcel dahil tapos ng Black Friday dito sa Italy. So, let's see. I buy these are the gift for my husband family and I do an unboxing. Yes, the first is hindi ko alam kung ano exact tawag yan, but it is for wine. And the second one is lagay ng mga prutas. Yes, ang ganda niya. Gusto ko na bumili yan kapag nagkabahay kami. The third one is candle with pabango sa bahay. Yan, from Casanova. So, I'll buy all of them. Since the Black Friday, so they are all discounted. So the Zalando is, of course, my bag. I use it for some occasion, but it's cute. It's color brown. Actually, nailabas ko na yan. At nalagyan ko na ng gamit kasi gagamitin ko for today's. Yeah, it's a mango. I think it's around 22 euro because it's sale. Alam niyo naman, sale is life for, since, and this is a bracelet from Australia. It's not a silver, but I think it's stainless steel, but it's cute. Like a clover or like a cross. Kaya pasensya na sa boses ko kasi since malamig init, so medyo may pagkango. And this is it, one of the best na nabili ko. Same as a Maison. Maison isa sa mga negosyo, nabilihan ng mga gamit sa bahay. Yeah. I think it's a good product. Then I buy it. It's a jewelry box. Yes. Yan, medyo mahirap buksan. And it's a white jewelry box. Then napakatagal buksan. Yes. Then after, this is it. Oh my God. Yeah, it's a white jewelry. It's good for all those who have a lot of jewelry, but one is not too much small, but it's good for me. Yeah, nabuksan na ng wakas after 100 years. As you can see, marami siyang space. Then, muntik pang masira. Panregalo. Yan. Ulitin ko, nabili ko lang yan ng sale. Then, for the next one, medyo nahirapan tayo sa isa medyo malaki. Yeah, it's a Sorbino. Sorbino is bilihan ng mga damit for the boys. Yeah, we buy a jacket for his father. Since sobrang lamig dito. And I think it's a good quality. Magaan lang siya pero maganda. Maganda yung quality niya. And a bit more pricey, but it's okay. It's a gift. Then, dito na natatapos ang first part for the second one. Now, it's the gift wrapping. Yes, may tatlo tayong design for gift. Yan, binili sa gabi na yan. Next day, may pasok tayo. Yan, yung librong Superman is first gift ko sa since mahilig sa mga superhero. And nakita nyo naman, binilisan lang natin. Ako lang ba yung tipong mas gusto ko ako mismo yung nagbabalot kaysa bumili ng mga paper bags na ilagay. Kasi, ano lang, gusto ko lang. Yan. Pagkatapos na, kasi maghahating gabi na yan.
No, non ci credo. Non ci credo.
Yan, hindi masarap magbalat ng mga nalalaki. But I do a simple gift wrap.
Tocca a te.
Yes. Yan. Nakita niya na. Patapos na. Yan. Isa sa pinakamalaki. So, yan. Masakit. Pagod na ang first son. So, this is the last.
Beh,
So, good night everyone.
Peccato qui, questo esperimento con i palloncini è del tutto inutile, cagnolotto.
10 anni.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone!